Everyone, my name is Arghuramata. Register number UR15C051. This is my ninth Android lab experiment, which is making a location tracker using Google Maps geocoder. So here we have used the fragment of the map, and this is the default you get when you are using the map layout. Then here we have the name, which is given as com.google.android.gms maps, the support map fragment. Layout width is match parent, height is also match parent, and tools of context is map.activity. So here in the Java file, we have object for the Google Map mmap, and for the location manager we have the object location manager, and we have on the onCreate function we get the support map fragment and get the help of the support fragment manager by find fragment id using the id map, and then we say asynchronously get the map id and use callback passing this object. In the location manager we get system services. We start the system service by passing the permission location underscore service, and we check if app compat check self permission. We have got the permission from the manifest file using access find location is not equal to package manager dot permission granted, and also we check the self permission of the access course location. If it is also not equal to permission granted, we directly return, and if not we go to the next phase where we check if the provider has enabled the location, and if not, location manager request location updates, that is using the network provider value of the location manager object, and these are the extra parameters. And also we have make an object of the new location listener. Inside it, we have the on location change function, which gets the latitude and longitude of the every time we have change in our position, and we create a lat lng type value in which we create a new of lat lang value, passing the latitude and longitude, and create the geocoder class and pass the application context for this current application. Then we get the list of address, and then geocoder gets the current location using the latitude and longitude from that list, and the string first value is attached to the str, and the str is then gets the country's name and adds the marker with the marker options object which we have declared previously, and with the position of lat lang and the title of the string which is the country's name. And when we change our location, we also want to update the camera, to which we are using the move camera function where you are changing the camera update factory, and we are zooming in on the lat lang value every time it is changed. And other implemented functions we have declared like on status change and on provider enabled, which is not required. And for if we do not have the permission, we directly if we do not have the location enabled, then we set a default location. Here these are the location of the latitude and longitude, and the geocoder attaches and gets a marker on it, and also the camera update factory is called to move the instance, and we have used a print stack trace to keep notice of all the locations we have traveled through. And also in the manifest file we are using the permission of access find location. Now I'll show the output for this file. So when I open it, my location services are not working. That's why it shows the marker at the default value, which is in Sydney in Australia. So once if I get a proper connection and my location value is detected, it can change the track the current location. So this app works perfectly. I've attached the screenshots of the correct one. So thank you for watching this video.